What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some chairs. Now, I've had my DX Racer chair for about 4 years now and it's starting to look a little cruddy, as you can tell. Looking pretty terrible. The fabric on it is starting to wear off. Also, I got this other chair. It's by Like Regal and it's an absolute dumpster fire. Now the base of it is really weak and it's bent over time and has become a slip and slide. Now chairs have become more and more prevalent more than ever thanks to COVID. And with all the home jobs, all the remote jobs, people are using chairs more than ever. So hopefully this video will help you out. If it does in any way or you enjoy the video at all, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know whenever I put out a new video. Plus it helps me out a lot. Hit the like button. Now I put out a tweet a couple of weeks ago. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you'll know this, but I put a tweet out, a picture of this chair. Lo and behold, a company called BADDEST reached out to me and they said, hey, we got a solution for you. You want to check out a couple of chairs? So they sent over a couple of replacement chairs. Now, I've never heard of BADDEST. You probably haven't either, but I'm really curious because they do look like they're pretty good quality, but it's hard to tell with pictures, right? So that's what we're here to do. We're here to check these out. Just to have full 100% transparency, down here, you'll see that it says paid promotion. YouTube requires me to do that because they sent the product to me, but they did not pay me. They didn't pay me cash money. They didn't give me a script or anything to say. They just said, here, have fun with the chairs. So that's what we're here to do. But yeah, without further ado, let's bust these open. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, well, now I need to set things up. But all right, let's do this. First thing I noticed when I was opening these boxes is that everything is extremely high quality. You can tell that their quality control is on point, from the packaging all the way to the materials. Everything seems to be done with a lot of care. I would say from start to finish, if you were building it, it would probably take you no more than 20 minutes. BADDEST seems to definitely take pride in what they're doing. The jungle seat, which is the all black, is made from PVC leather. It's got a 100% steel frame. It comes with a lumbar pillow, a headrest pillow, 60mm casters. Now, putting these together was actually a joy. Every single thing about building this was done with precision. There were no stripped screws, none of the screws were missing. High quality Allen wrench tools that came with it. You can tell that the stitching was done with precision, from the logo all the way to the basic stitching of the cushions. Everything is done really well. The straps that are on the cushions, they're very high quality elastic straps. The max load for the jungle chair is 265 pounds. The armrests, very heavy duty, and man, as soon as it's done put together, I can't believe what I'm looking at. It is a beautiful chair. Even the jungle chair compared to my DX Racer chair is above and beyond quality. So very, very pleased with the jungle. If you're looking for a gaming chair but you're not wanting to spend $500 plus, the jungle chair is absolutely a fantastic choice. You can get the jungle chair in either all black or you can get it in black and red. Now the second chair that we got was the T Pro 2 Series premium gaming chair. This one is the more high-end chair. This one is more of an actual fabric. After putting together the jungle chair, I knew that the T Pro chair had to be absolutely amazing and I was not disappointed at all. But the T Pro 2 Series, now that's on a different level. The jungle being like a racing chair to more of a larger, more luxurious, very comfortable, almost recliner style feel to this chair. Not only does it have fabric, but it also has the super soft, super smooth, very slick looking velour fabric that runs alongside the seat and the backrest, and even the pillows are made out of the velour fabric. It's like rubbing a teddy bear. It's amazing. But it is a super king size chair. Again, it's also 100% steel framework. It has 65mm casters. It's got a black aluminum base. The maximum weight limit on that is 440 pounds. That's heavy. This is a very heavy duty chair. This is somebody who's really serious about sitting at their desk for a long period of time, or maybe you just want to sleep in your chair, but either way, it's extremely heavy duty. Everything about it, again, the fabric material, the stitching, everything about this chair is 100% premium. It has a big lumbar pillow. This one you just set in the chair itself. It also has the headrest pillow, but everything about it, the casters feel super heavy duty. The armrests, you could probably use them as sledgehammers. They're so heavy. They're so heavy and so sturdy. Again, I am completely surprised at the way these turned out. I honestly had no idea that they were shipping me something of this quality. Now keep in mind, again, I've been using a DX Racer chair for about 4 years, maybe even 5 years. and I love it. It's great, but as soon as I sat down in this, holy cow, this is absolutely like a recliner. Now my DX Racer chair did the same thing, but this is on another level. I'm not gonna lie, this feels almost like a lazy boy chair. The locking mechanism is super easy to use. It's just a simple push and pull. Same thing with raising it and lowering it. The armrest, they've got a little button on the side, which allows you to push it forward and backwards. Then you got another one that allows you to slide it left and right. And then at any time you can actually pivot it back and forth. Then you've got the lever on the outside where you pull it and you can push the armrest up and down. This one, I believe it's even on sale. It was like, I think it was almost 600 bucks. I believe now it's like right at $499. Absolutely worth it if you're serious about your chair. But yeah, and a seat. Pleasantly surprised. I would put this on the level right up there with DX Racer, Secret Labs chairs. They are 100% a competitor in the gaming chair industry for sure. If you guys enjoyed the video, if I was able to help you out in any way, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I put up a new video. I think that's it. I don't know really what else to say about And a Seat. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic, but I will say that I'm gonna absolutely love editing my videos now in this delicious chair. That's right, it's delicious. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.